guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my friends at the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, TS Galaxy 2, Spear 0. I'm joined by my brother Kamawanu Puma Gupi. Yeah, ngipi word of the day nje I am.
Word of the day good bafike onyaka wrong unyaka ngoma.
Yeah. Abobani bafike wrong. Spears ne? Yeah.
TS Galaxy.
Yeah.
Yayithatha.
This season. In Nedbank.
Straight.
Uyababulala.
Asababulala.
Angitshele nje yami chips izothathani.
Ama video enza lapha.
Chips asibekelele kude.
Yeah.
Asibekelele kude.
Sure.
Just focus on Nedbank.
Okay, ngiyakuthola nje yami. I-man of the match uyipha bani?
Oh. Man of the match.
Yeah.
Our goalkeeper we TS Galaxy.
We TS Galaxy ne?
Straight.
Yeah, uyipha yena. Thank you kazi. Bafika umuntu naye i-account ye-Nedbank. Or usasemncane? Man, ubaba wakhe ukuphi?
Abamvulele.
Abafika ama-20 nyana, afere ntwana yami akuna flop.